Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Toast POS for online ordering growth, full guide step by step clearly. To begin configuring Toast POS for online ordering growth, log in to your Toast account. Navigate to the Settings tab in your dashboard. Select the Online Ordering option from the menu. Enable online ordering by toggling the switch to the on position. Set up your menu items for online ordering. Add or customize menu items to ensure they are accurate and appealing. Assign categories to each menu item for easier navigation. Set the prices and any applicable modifiers for each item. Next, configure your operating hours for online ordering. Specify the days and times when online orders can be placed. Ensure your delivery and pickup options are clearly defined. Decide whether you will offer delivery, pickup, or both for your customers. Integrate payment processing with your online ordering system. Link your preferred payment processor through the settings. Check that your payment settings comply with your business needs. Once payments are set up, customize your online ordering interface. Update your branding elements, such as logos and colors. Make sure the user interface is intuitive and user-friendly. Conduct a test of your online ordering system. Simulate an order to identify any potential issues. Once testing is complete, finalize your settings. Communicate the launch of your online ordering feature to your customers. Promote your online ordering through social media and email campaigns. Monitor order volumes and customer feedback regularly. Adjust your offerings and settings based on customer preferences. Use analytics to track online ordering trends and improve accordingly. With these steps completed, you are ready for online ordering growth with Toast POS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.